Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase your font size in ProtonMail. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So if I go ahead and open up my ProtonMail, you'll see the font size is set to this. I'm not signed in. It doesn't matter if you're signed in or not. So I'm going to go back to my home screen, and now to increase the font size inside ProtonMail, we need to go to settings on our mobile device. And then once we're inside settings, we need to scroll down and look for display. So click onto display, then scroll down again and look for font size and style. Tap onto that, and you'll see a slider right at the bottom of the page here where it says font size. Left hand side will make your font size smaller. The right hand side of that slide will make it larger. So put it near the right hand side. I'm going to set it to about that. Now if I go over to ProtonMail again, you'll see the font size for the app has been increased. Yeah, so just have a play around with that slider and adjust it to however you see fit.